Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. So we are in the previous video we discussed about the rodless cylinder. So in the special cylinder case we have one more cylinder that is called a telescopic cylinder. Telescopic cylinder, the name itself indicates it looks like a telescope. The constructional feature of the cylinder is looks like a telescope. So when you want to zoom or when you want to magnify, we are using a telescope. The lens can be zoomed by the pipes, so that can be extended and retracted to according to the necessity of the uh, zooming of the object. So here, this telescopic cylinder can be used whenever we have a space restrictions. For example, extension we need a very long stroke, but the retraction we have a space restrictions. We need to accommodate in a very less space. This telescopic cylinders can be used. One more example for radio, we have in older days we have aerial. So that can be extended into very long length, but the retraction length of the aerial is very less, or the antenna, aerial or antenna is very less. So that is the practical applications. And one more thing, this can be used in um, trucks for trailers for lifting the load to unload the loads in the trailer. And this telescopic cylinders are also used in suspension system of two-wheelers, front wheel, especially bikes. We can witness the telescopic cylinder. So let us discuss the constructional feature of the cylinder. So here we have the cylinder that is concentrically uh, arranged in the uh, manner. For example, we have an outer chamber. In the outer chamber, we have a fluid inlet, and inside many cylinders are concentrically arranged with respect to the center axis. So, depending upon the number of distance required, the number of cylinders may vary, and also the diameters of the cylinders are also vary. Uh, so this is the constructional features of the cylinder. So let us explain the working of the cylinder. In working, we are allowing the pressurized fluid from the reservoir, and the pump is pumping the pressurized fluid, and the fluid is pressurized and it is sent into the direction control valve. In the direction control valve, which directs the fluid to the appropriate port of the cylinder. Since this is the vertical cylinder, we need to give hydraulic pressure to make an extension. And for the retraction, we need not give any hydraulic force since it is a vertical cylinder. The gravity force itself assists the retraction of the cylinder. Just we need to drain the oil in the bottom. It will make a retraction of the cylinder. So when you are allowing the pressurized fluid in the inlet, which pushes the piston, so the first cylinder which will come out when it reaches dead end, then the next cylinder will come out, and this process repeats for the number of cylinders, and finally innermost cylinder will come out, and which will make an extension. So when you want to retract the cylinder, you have to remove the fluid in the bottom and via direction control valve when it is bypassed to the reservoir, so that it will come back to its original position. All the cylinders are settled down in the concentric tube. So this cylinder can be used as a vertical cylinder, for this case, or it can be used as a horizontal cylinder. So whatever the case may be, uh, it will make an extension and retraction for various typical applications. And the references for this presentation: Fluid Power, authored by Anthony Esposito, published by Pearson Education, New Delhi in the year 2003. And the second reference book is Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines, authored by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publications, New Delhi, 2021. So in this lecture video, we have discussed about the uh, telescopic cylinder, need of telescopic cylinder, constructional features of telescopic cylinder, and working of the telescopic. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.